How to set Gemini as default voice assistant on Android. This tutorial shows you how to activate Gemini and use it with voice commands on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Google. Following that, tap on All Services tab at the top. Now, scroll down and find Search Assistant and Voice. Moving forward, tap on Search Assistant and Voice. Tap on Google Assistant. Afterwards, look for Digital Assistants from Google. Tap on Digital Assistants from Google. You'll see both Google Assistant and Gemini listed. Tap on Gemini to select it as your default assistant. A prompt will appear explaining the switch. Tap on Switch or Confirm to complete the change. Now Gemini is your default voice assistant. To activate it by voice, just say, "Hey Google," and Gemini will respond. You can now use voice commands with Gemini instead of Google Assistant. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set Gemini as default voice assistant on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.